Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I have a new Tunisian crocheting project prepared for you. So I'll show you how to do a Loch Ness pattern, as I like to call it. So this is going to be done in Tunisian crocheting style. So if you're new with this is a nice project to start with. It's not difficult and it has a great result in the end. In my case, I decided to do color changes or multiple colors here, but it works in just one color just fine. So I'll take the thread through now to change and I'll start a new row with you guys. So you need 2 spools on your needle and do them together, and then you can take 1 yarn over the needle and continue that way until you finish the row. I started one base row before I started the pattern so that it looks nice and has a stable beginning. We are also working with an odd number of chains. That way we have symmetric sides, and at the end take a chain and then just go back and cast the stitches off. So now we do another row in this color, and let's start with the 2 loops on the needle. Through the hole 1 more loop, and then you keep taking new stitches out of the holes. I'm working with a 6mm needle, although the wool itself is for 4 to 4.5 millimeters. So that way we get a nice and loose result. Now let's change the color. And now we again do 2 stitches together and we take the yarn around the needle or over the needle. And end with 2 stitches in the base pattern, and then we go back. One stitch as a base stitch and go through the holes now. And you keep repeating these 2 rows, and changing 2 or multiple colors is also an option. One color works just fine as well. So have fun with the project.